We'll guide you through how to fix a microphone not working in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when your microphone isn't working in Windows 11 or 10. Perhaps trying to go and talk to somebody, record something, or go and use it for something else. We're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try to go and get it working. Make sure this full guide and you don't skip anything, as we're covering different fixes throughout this whole guide. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. So first of all, just go and look on the mic itself. In some cases, there's going to be a physical mute button on it. I found this to be the case on mine. I can actually touch it and I can go and mute it, but in some cases, there may be some type of switch. So make sure it's definitely not muted. After you've gone and checked it physically, what you want to do is go and press the Windows button at the bottom or press search and type in settings or find settings in pinned. In here, come to the left and find system. Then you can go and find sound. Now, at the top, we've got output, but of course, we're dealing with input. So scroll down, and what you need to do is make sure you've got the correct mic selected. Otherwise, that can be why it's not working. So what you need to do here is you want to go and scroll down, and you can go and find it. In this case, I haven't. I'm actually using this one here, so I've now got it selected. Go and see if that thing goes and solves it. Once you've got it selected, you can come and scroll down here, make sure that it's not muted, and also try turning up it. If it's turned all the way down or it's muted, that's why it's not working. If you find that it's missing from this list, what we should do is go and scroll down here and check and find the option for more sound settings and click here. You'll go and get this pop up and you need to go to the top and select recording. Now, what you need to do is you need to come down here and go and check for any disabled mics. Right click, make sure you show disabled devices selected, and you can scroll down and go and find any disabled ones. And you can then right click on it and you can go and enable it, as you can see. When it's then enabled, what it means is that it'll be showing up in this list and also in this list here as well. So you can try selecting it. Now, if you still find that it's not working, then press more sound settings, come into recording again, and you want to go and find your mic. Let me go and drag down and go and find it. Double click on it like so. And then what you need to do is you want to go and find advanced. Press advanced at the top and you can try unselecting enable audio enhancements. Press apply and press OK and go and see if that thing goes and solves it. Hopefully it does. If you still find that it doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is we're going to go and just check the specific app you're trying to use it in. For example, with Discord, open it up. You can go and press user settings, go over to the left and scroll down and find voice and video. Make sure you've got the correct microphone selected, which I'll go and select now. And then what you want to do is you want to go and you can try testing it. If it still doesn't work, you can scroll all the way down and you can try doing a reset. This is if you're finding that it isn't working in one specific application, maybe it's working in others. You should try and check if it's working in others to see if it's a problem with the mic or just the app you're trying to go and use it with. But hopefully resetting the sound settings will go and resolve it and making sure the correct one is selected there. Next, what you want to do is you want to go and head to this bottom search and press on the search and type in device manager, open it up. And in here, you want to go and find audio inputs and outputs, press the arrow to the left to go and expand it. Then what you need to do is you want to go and find the mic and right click on it, and you want to press update driver and press search automatically. And hopefully then doing an update may go and solve it. If it doesn't, you want to go and right click on it and you want to go and press uninstall device, press uninstall like so. Wait for that to go and complete. Now what you want to do is go and press the Windows start button at the bottom, press the power button and try doing a restart. When it comes back on, see if it works. Sometimes doing a refresh like that will go and solve the problem. If you still find that it isn't working, what you want to do is go and open up your settings again. If you find that it's still not working, press the Windows Start button at the bottom and come to your settings. Go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for privacy and security. Scroll down to find it and click on it. Then you want to scroll down to app permissions and come into microphone. Make sure mic access is switched on and you switch on let apps access your microphone. That's really key, as otherwise they can't access it and it isn't working. If it still doesn't solve it, come to left and press system, find sound, and you want to scroll down and you can try using the troubleshoot here. So press input devices and you can go through the troubleshooter, hopefully solving it. Leave a like if you found this useful.